welcome to my channel. In this video you are learning about evaluate the following of using suitable identities. In previous video of 6th beta I have explained that expand the cubes we have used a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So in this video also in the 7th bit we have to use a plus b whole cube. In this we have to use how we should use and how we should simplify this I will say now. So now we have to divide this in two forms. We have to divide with we have to divide in this form. We should get this form 99 cube as in this form. To get like this we have to take the near number or plus or minus or subtract or addition. We should get this 99 whole cubes. Now take the near numbers. 100 minus 1 whole cube. So 100 minus 1 is 99. So you'll get 99. Or you can take plus also. 19 plus 9 whole cube. So if we take this 90 plus 9 whole cube, we'll get the long number and we'll get a long process. So prefer the nearest number of the product. So see, this is the near number, that 100 minus 1 is the preferable number. So I am writing the formula, that is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So now substitute here. We got that 100 minus 1 whole cube is implies. So keep in the bracket that a is equals to 100 and b is equals to 1. So for a better understanding I am writing in the bracket. If you don't want to write. Okay, you don't want to write. Okay, now I am writing, now substituting 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 of a is 100 and b is 1 of 100 minus 1. Now multiply. Now I substituted in the formula that identity. Now multiply this total equation. See here, 100 cube. So 1 cube. So we are having 3 cube. So 1 0 is followed by 3 zeros. So we'll get here as 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So my 1 cube is 1 of minus 3 into 100 is minus 300 into 1 is 1 of 100 minus 1. So we'll get here like this. So these implies 3 zeros minus 1 minus 300. 3 ones are 3 30,000. So minus plus, so plus 300. So we'll get here as like this. So we'll get here as 10 lakhs minus 1 minus 30,000 plus 300. So first minus 10 lakhs minus 30,000. First you minus. So first minus 30,000. So first minus 0 0 0 0 and 10 9 10. 10 minus 3 is, what is it? 10 minus 3. So we'll get here as 7 and 9 is as it is. So we'll get here as 970,000 will get here. So these implies 970,000 minus 1 plus 300. So now add 970,000 plus 300. So 970,000 plus 300 you add here. So we'll get here as 003,097. So we'll get here as 970 300. So minus 1 you do here. So we'll get here as 2 10 9 10 minus 1 is 9 as it is, 2 here 0 7 as it is 9. So we'll get here as 97029. This is the answer of first one, that is 99 cube. So we'll get the answer of, therefore answer is equals to 97029. So this is the answer of first one. Okay, now coming to the second one, that is 102 whole cube. So 102 whole cube, see the nearest number of 102 whole cube. By adding or subtracting we need to get the nearest number. We have to get the product as 102 whole cube. So we'll get in plus 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is 102. So we can use this number, or we can use as 110 minus 8. We can use as 110 minus 8 whole cube also we can use here. we can use. So see the nearest number, that is 100 plus 2. So we have to use a plus b whole cube formula. In previous first one I have used a minus b whole cube. So now here we have to use a plus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus plus 3ab of a plus b. So we have to use this formula to find the second one. So now use this 1 or 2 was 100 plus 2 whole cube. So now I'm writing in this form that 100 plus 2 whole cube is equals to, so write in the bracket that a is equals to 100 and b is equals to 2. So but right now substituting a is equals to 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 of 100 of 2 of 100 plus 2. So now I have substituted in this identity. Now multiply this whole term, that is this implies 1 0 is followed by 3 zeros. So the 3 zeros, so we'll get here as 10 lakhs. So we'll get here as 10 lakhs plus 2 cube is 8. So 8 and 300. So 3 into 100 is 300. 300 into 2 is 600. So right here as 600 of 100 plus 2. Yes, 100 plus 2. Now these implies, now multiply again these terms, this bracket term. This implies 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 6 into 1 is 6. So this extra 2 zeros also added. So we'll get here as 60,000 plus 6 2s are 12. So 1200. So now add this all the terms. So now adding all the term 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 60,000, no? 10 lakhs plus 60,000. 10 lakhs plus 60,000. So plus 1200. See that ascending descending to ascending you take. Why? Because here you take 8 means you get confused. So next 1200 plus 8. Now add this total term. So we'll get here as 8, 0 as it is. Here we'll get 2, 1 and 6, 0, 1. So we'll get here as actually we got actually we got like 4 number, that is 1061208. So this this is the answer of second one, that is 106611208. So this is the answer. Therefore you must write that last sentence. That last sentence carries half mark in your examinations. So this implies answer is equals to 101,208. So this is the answer of second one. Okay, now coming to the third one, that is 998 whole cube. So now here also see the nearest numbers. Nearest numbers means we'll get 998 means we'll get 1000. 1000 minus 2 whole cube we'll get here, or 900, not 990 plus 8 whole cube. So see the near numbers first. So nearest number is 1000 minus 2. So 1000 minus 2 is 998. Here 990 plus 8 means we'll get the long process. So see the short process and do in your examinations. It will take the time of this 990, and if you take this 1000 minus 2, in your examinations it takes the short time. You can short the period. So now coming to the third one. Here we have to use that a minus b whole cube like first one. So third one, a minus b whole cube. So this is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a plus b. Yes. So now multiply. You have already taken the 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So 1000 minus 2 whole cube is equals to 1000 cube. Or sorry, a is equals to 1000 and b is equals to 2 minus 2 you have mentioned here. So 1000 minus 2 cube minus 3 into of 1000 and 2 of 1000 minus 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 here. Now multiply this total equation, that is this implies 1000 cube. 1 0 is followed by 3 zeros. So we'll get here. So we'll get here as 9 zeros actually. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 3 3 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So minus 2 cube is 8. Minus 3 into 1000 is 3000. 3000 of 2 of 1000 minus 2. So now multiply. Now this implies 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 8 minus 6000. 3 to the 6 minus 6000 of 1000 minus 2 minus 2. So these implies 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 8 minus 6 into 1 is 6. So we'll get here as 6 zeros. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we'll get here as minus 12,000. 6 to the 12. So we'll get here as 12,000. Now subtract all these four numbers. Now subtract here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and next highest term of this is 6 1. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll get here as 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll get here as 6 and next near term is 12,000. So 1 2 3 12,000 and minus 8. Now subtract this total term. Okay, now borrow the 10 here. 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 10 9 and 10 9. So we'll get 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So we'll get here as 2 and here we can see means we'll get 9 here. Here equally we'll get 9 and 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 and 9 is 9 as it is. 9 minus 6. So we'll 9 minus 6 will get here as 3. 9 as it is and 9 as it is. So the answer is, this implies 9 9 3 9 8 7 9 9 2. So this is the answer of third one, that is 998 whole cube. So therefore answer is equals to 993987992. So this is the answer of third one. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Basic Maths Concepts. See you on next video. Bye bye.